You some of that right now, and this is just one tree. We're on Center Street here, or Court Street I should say rather, and again you see this kind of scene that's being played out across Springfield. We are seeing buildings that look like they have been pushed over. We spoke with one woman who had parked her car in one location yesterday, went to work, came back after the storm, and the car had been pushed about 50 feet and was destroyed. She was waiting on an insurance adjuster to come take a look at the car. Of course, the car was smashed. It was gone. People are dealing with so much out here. There are thousands without power. Some folks have lost their homes or pieces of their homes, and the road to recovery is going to take some time. A picture-perfect day set the scene for what was a terrifying night.
Here's the mess.
Kevin Wenzel's home looks as if it's been through a fight. It lost one of many structures damaged by what investigators confirm was a strong tornado, and there's the possibility there might have been more.
My wife was right in the middle of the storm, said it sounded like a freight train was coming, told her to get the kids in the basement. She started in toward the basement, and that's when the first tree here hit the house. She couldn't get the kids in the basement. They were actually in the stairway to the basement when the house was shaking so bad it broke pipes.
Take a tour of the city and you will see scenes of damage and destruction. There are debris fields of bricks. Cathedral High School has been condemned, its roof ripped off. Utility poles snapped like toothpicks, and a forest of trees that toppled, covering roads, cars, and homes.
It's crazy that whole line right there was full of trees and it was all gone.
Early estimates are that the damage will exceed $100 million. Kevin will protect what he has until an insurance adjuster comes.
Just make sure the neighborhood's safe, everybody's safe, watching some houses. I'm going to stay here and make sure that, looting doesn't occur. Anyone that needs help is going to get help.
You talk about the power of the winds. Here you have this heavily damaged building. Then when we walk over here, you see debris, mostly trees and branches, leaves, and then smack dab in the middle of it is a one-way sign. Who knows where this came from? The stories of survival are inspiring, but then there are the victims of this storm, 3 in all. Massachusetts Governor Deval Patrick telling us one woman risked her life to save her child.
Mother put her 15-year-old in the bathtub and then climbed in on top of her just as the building started to collapse. The mother was killed, the 15-year-old survived.
It was indeed a beautiful day weather-wise, but there are clouds on the horizon. A cleanup that will take weeks, if not months, until things are back to normal.
The last time I saw destruction like this was Andrew back in '91.
And again, you really can't underestimate how severe the damage is here around here. And again, it's going to take a very long time to get everything fixed and back up and running. Now, 2 of the 3 victims of this storm have been identified. One of those is a woman, Angelica Guerrero. She is the one that covered her 15-year-old daughter in the bathtub as her house was collapsing around her. The second is a 23-year-old, Sergei Livchin. He died when his van was crushed by a tree. That incident happened only a few blocks away from where Miss Guerrero was killed. Now, FEMA was out here today inspecting things, as well as members of the National Weather Service trying to determine again how many tornadoes actually hit this city, but the site's simply unbelievable. We are live in Springfield. I'm Jamie Muro, News 8.
All right.